What is up, everyone? This is Motorola, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the error. Based on the information you provided, you cannot use Grok, verification fails. So let's get right into this. If you're trying to use this on wherever you are, basically, whether it's your computer when trying to log in or your phone's Grok's app, basically, the main reason this is failing is you can only have like one main account linked to it. So if you tried to utilize your Apple account rather than your X account that you had initially created, your Twitter X account, and you're trying to basically, again, use your Apple account. I'm using Apple iPhone as an example. It's not going to work. You're going to have to log out and use the original account that you made your Grok account with to utilize it. It doesn't let you basically use more than one account. You can have multiple Gmails. It's not the same. You basically can't have multiple accounts for Grok. So you have to use the original one that you made the account with and go from there. So once you do that, log out of it, find the main X account. Most likely it's going to be X account that you use to create your Grok account with, and just go from there, and you should be good to go. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please thumbs up, go to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. On that, Motorola's out. Peace.